This is a 2009 Bluebird Vision school bus. It's going to have an alarm for low air pressure, and so once I fire it up, I'll let the air pressure come back up and I'll be right back. So now that our air is up, we've got over 60 pounds of oil pressure. Batteries are charging. I can turn that high idle off. We've got 134,411.2 miles on this 6.7 liter Cummins Allison transmission combo school bus. It's got an air ride seat. It does have all of the school bus seats still in it. Pardon my kid's makeshift camper back there. It does have two rooftop vents that can be opened all the way up for emergency exit. It does have a check child deactivate switch, meaning once those lights are on and you shut this bus off, you have to press that button to make sure there's no sleeping children on board. That is that child deactivation switch. All the interior lights are on to look for the children's. Push the button. It has a door release. This bus did meet the 2020 or 2021 safety check for the Forest Hills school system in Kent County, Michigan. And all of the wiring is still intact for all of the everything that operates as a school bus. You will have to deactivate it to make it road legal. That stop sign and the flashers cannot be operated on the road. Remember, there's no park, just an air brake.